Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to lesson number 3 of Muta'lliqs. Right. So, hope you guys have been enjoying this series. This is part of the Tarkeeb, I'rab Tarkeeb series, but I'm just trying to focus on the concept of Muta'lliq. So, let's say for example, we have another example here. Qara'ta, you read. Ar-risala, the letter. Li Zayd. Li Zayd. Right, so this is the sentence we have over here. Qara'ta ar-risalata li Zaydin. Now here the question obviously arises about li. Where is li muta'alliq to? So if we make li muta'alliq to qara'ta, then what does the sentence mean? And if we make it muta'alliq to ar-risala, what does it mean? If you make it muta'alliq to qara'ta, what it basically means is, let's say for example this is me and this is, let's say, Zayd. So Zayd basically, he asked me to read the letter to him. There's a letter that came and he wants me to read that letter to him. Maybe it's a bill, maybe it's, I don't know, some other letter that he has. So I take the letter and I begin to read it to him. Or you begin to read it to him. Qara'ta li Zaydin. You read for Zayd ar-risala. So even though there might have been other people listening, your recitation was actually only for Zayd. It was for Zayd. So qara'ta li Zayd ar-risala. Right, so you read. Now, who does this letter belong to? We don't know. Right? So the who we don't know. But we know who I read for. Now, that's the first possibility. Second possibility is li is muta'alliq to a risala. Remember, risala is not a word you can make it direct muta'alliq, so you have to have a hidden word like athabita, athabita, athabitata. Right? So then li actually becomes muta'alliq to that. So it becomes qara'ta ar-risalata athabitata li Zayd. So in here, what it basically now means is that you read, you were sitting there, maybe alone in the room, maybe there was no one there. You weren't reading it for Zayd, as previously. You weren't reading for Zayd, but you were reading it. And who does the letter belong to? The letter actually belongs to Zayd. This is his letter, this is. And you picked it up and you read it. So, who read the letter? You read the letter. Who did you read it to? We don't know. There's no information in there that tells us who you read it to. You could have been alone in a room. You could have read it to a whole, classroom. Who knows? Who does the letter belong to? The letter belongs to Zayd. Right? So over here, who did you read to? So over here, the answer is Zayd. And who does the letter belong to? We don't know. Over here is who did you read to? We don't know. And who does the letter belong to? It belongs to Zayd. Yeah, so you see the subtle differences you get in the sentence when you are working with a muta'alliq. Muta'alliqs are very, very important, like I say, in order for you to truly appreciate and be precise in translating sentences. And like I said, ultimately it's for the Quran. Right? So after a few lessons, maybe I'll show you some examples in the Quran where we can see how muta'alliqs can change or adjust the translation. Jazakumullah khair. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you very much to all of you guys who support the channel, especially my patrons. You guys are wonderful, beautiful people. May Allah bless all of you guys. If you guys want to become patrons and support this channel on a monthly basis so that I can make more content like this and help people, then please check out my description. It really means a lot to me. Thank you very much. Jazakumullah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakumullah khair for watching this video. I hope to see all of you guys. If you guys are interested, please leave us feedback, get in contact with us. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.